Hey y'all, welcome back to Garage. Today we're back on Plan B. Easy for you to say. Anyways, we're gonna find out if this $13 gasket kit, top end gasket kit, is gonna be worth the money and if it's gonna hold up to the pulling. So this is for the Kohler Command 25 horse. I've used similar gaskets on stock engines and they've worked out great. But you know, we're running methanol, open RPM, a little higher compression, so let's see if these suckers will hold up. So let's get over here on Plan B and we'll get them put on. Alright y'all, I opened the kit up and this thing, it actually comes with more stuff than what you need. It comes with washers, which I don't know what those are for, and some nuts and a couple of rubber O-rings. Again, don't know what those are for, but it does come with the exhaust gaskets and the intake gaskets, which is nice. So, and there's actually comes in two pieces, two separate packages. So there's enough to do the whole engine. So I probably am going to go ahead and do the other side with the stock gasket. Now these things are nice because they got the nice metal ring, goes around the inside edge to seal up the combustion chamber, but then also has these extra like pinch pieces to hopefully seal it up. So yeah, let's get that on there. Lines up nicely. So alright, there's that. Let's see if we can get this. I did clean the intake up, or the head up, I'm sorry. I'm looking at the engine here. I cleaned the intake here and on the other side, so we're ready to just drop her on here. Make sure she's clean. And get the pins lined up. Okay, looks like those are lined up. Drop a head bolt in here. See if we can run these down here by hand. Unless I have my impact here somewhere, but it's somewhere other than right here, so. Snug that up. Give that a snug. little snug here, leg snug, and I'm ready to torque them. So let me go grab my torque wrench. We'll get it set, get these things torqued in. So be right back. All right, y'all. Got the torque wrench out here. First round, we're gonna go 200 inch-pounds. So that's a preset that I did. Shit it. All right. You know what? We're on the wrong setting. There we go. Yo, I am getting new glasses. Now, why does it go to Newton meters? There's inch-pounds. I don't know why it's still running on that preset I have. Okay, the next one is 370 inch-pounds. So, all right. Okay. Okay. Yeehaw, we got those. Now, we'll put our push rods back in. now I just got to spin the engine over to get everything on top dead center, and I'll latch the valves, and this thing will be done. So, all right, let's move on here. Stand by. All right, y'all. Got my rockers all adjusted up, so everything's in. We're ready to put the valve cover on. I'm gonna wait and hold off on doing that. Yeah, so I'm gonna move to the other side. I gotta move the tractor around. I gotta bring it over this way. I ain't got enough room on that side for right now, but I'll probably just do that side off the camera, and because you guys watch me do this side, I'll get it to this point here, then we'll go ahead and put the intake manifold. I'll bring you guys back when I put the intake manifold on, the exhaust manifold, and hopefully fire this thing up and hear it run. So, all right, stand by. All right, y'all, moment of truth. I've already got the system primed, so we can fire this thing up and see if all our hard work worked. So let's make sure it's in neutral. Let's put a spark plug wire on both sides instead of just one. Now let's see. All right, she runs, no leaks, so awesome. And I actually backed the fuel off a little bit. We got some raw fuel coming out the exhaust, but that's okay. I'd rather have a little rich than a little lean. I do got new spark plugs for it, so yeah, awesome. Alright, y'all, that's gonna do it for this video. We got the head gaskets fixed, new intake gaskets on it, exhaust gaskets. I still gotta put new spark plugs in it, but that's just, you know, that's easy stuff, so no big deal. We're ready to hook. We're ready to go play in the dirt. So that's a way off my shoulders. I was really hoping that block and the heads weren't, you know, torched or anything and had a bad spot or something in them. But yeah, true test will be the first run down the track, and hopefully it's this weekend. Probably while you guys are watching this video Saturday. Hopefully, if it's not raining or doesn't rain, I'll be at the track doing a testing tune on this thing. So I probably won't video the whole pull or anything. If somebody's there to get some video of me pulling, great. If not, you know, it is what it is. So but yeah, so appreciate y'all. Please like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for the next video.